Primo, my library card. Welcome to UCT Libraries How-To series. This video will show you how to manage your My Library card on our UCT Libraries web page. Using any browser of your choice, go to the UCT Libraries website on www.lib.uct.ac.za. Access your account by clicking on My Library Card. You will be prompted to log in as a UCT registered user by using your UCT student number and password. Once you have logged in successfully, an overview of your library card will be displayed. In loans, you can view your active loans as well as your previous and historic loans. In requests, you can see your current requests and you can delete any item you no longer require. By fines and fees, you will find information on outstanding fines. If the library needs to communicate with you, you will find the messages in blocks and messages. And in personal details, you can change your address as well as your telephone number. You can log out of your account by clicking on your name and then on Sign Out. If you need more help, please contact any of the librarians. Also check out the other videos in the How-To series.